And on that midnight shift, a friend of mine said, man, just take some, what we call snook line. It's a very thick nylon. And on there I had a choker, a synthetic choker bait. And I was just trawling that just to get something to do. Because when we left, we decided, we were both smokers, we decided to leave our cigarettes on land. So we had no cigarettes at all. And that caused a lot of emotional stress, trying to stop smoking and in the heat of all this pressure of crossing an ocean. Now I still had a pipe that I took with, like a smoking pipe, and we ended up putting tea. We had tea bags, so I would open the tea bag, throw the tea inside the pipe, and that is what we ended up smoking.